Hey, it's your girl Janice of Emerald Vinyl, and today I'm going to show you how you can adhere fabric onto your garment without having any knowledge of knowing how to sew. Stay tuned, I'll show you how. To begin, I decided I wanted to go with the Easter type pattern look. I wanted to make a peeps type look for my shirt. So I cut my fabric down to size, and I did the same with my adhesive heat transfer vinyl. Adhesive heat transfer vinyl is like the double-sided tape of heat transfer vinyl. Both sides have a tacky feel to it. But in this instance, there's a carrier side and there's a dull side. You want to adhere your dull side onto the back side of your fabric and press for 10 to 20 seconds at 320 degrees. You can also use your iron. Right after that, I am cutting the excess adhesive vinyl away because I want to prep it and get it ready for my cutter machine. I am using a Silhouette Cameo for this, and I am using the fabric canvas setting. I am double cutting it to ensure that it cuts straight through without fraying the fabric in any kind of way. But the adhesive on the back part of it keeps everything together, but I just wanted to be sure, so cut it twice if you're not sure. So just like anything else, the carrier sheet comes off. This now releases the other side of the adhesive, which is now going to go onto the garment of your shirt. So I am pulling it away gently, making sure that I do not leave any parts remaining on the fabric whatsoever. So the fabric kind of curls a little bit, so kind of press down on it so it can stay in place when you're getting ready to line up your garment for pressing. And all you do is press it on for 5 seconds and it tacks on really easily. Now for this, I know that fabric tends to fray, so we decided to go with glitter heat transfer vinyl for the edges. We're kind of overlapping the edges so it covers the edge of the fabric in its entirety. We decided to go with glitter because it's a little bit thicker and you don't see the lines of the fabric whatsoever. So I do this for all 3 of my bunnies. And once I press it one final time, I give it one good final press and it is good to go. I continue on and I decide to leave a little jazzy saying on the shirt, and I want to kind of add a little bit more to my design at the end. So let's see what you come up with. Happy crafting!